Hi beauty babes, welcome to Care EDU. My name is Kendra Dawn. I'm a licensed esthetician and we are going to be doing a 3-part video series on everything you need to know about skincare and wearing face masks. In today's video, we will be discussing skincare conditions that are arising from wearing masks. And in the next 2 videos, we will be discussing pro skincare tips for wearing masks and medical grade skincare for Maskne and sensitivity. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming skincare tips. The skin conditions that are arising from wearing masks are acne or maskne, sensitivity and irritation, and erythema, which is redness and irritation, inflammation, and also dry, cracked, and peeling skin. So we now have a new term in skincare called maskne, and maskne is acne from wearing masks, and it is presenting itself as whiteheads and blackheads, pustules and papules, and even cystic acne, and we are typically seeing it around the jawline, mouth, and nose area, which is where the face mask is covering. The mouth and jaw area is typically where we see hormonally induced acne, so this is a double whammy. Hormonal acne is caused by hormonal fluctuations and typically results in an increased production of sebum or oil, and we also see that in times when we are stressed. And of course, so many of us are stressed at this time, so we are getting an increased production of cortisol, which also increases the production of sebum or oil. Bacteria is another issue that is causing acne, and the bacteria is typically coming from our spit or droplets that are getting trapped in the mask and then being transferred back onto the skin. So wearing masks for a prolonged period of time that have bacteria trapped in them is just a breeding ground for acne and breakouts. Inflammation also contributes to acne, and a lot of people are experiencing inflammation and redness due to rubbing, tightness, and the friction that the masks are causing on the skin. So sweat, moisture from our breath and saliva, bacteria, overproduction of sebum, and inflammation are all contributing to acne flare-ups and breakouts. That rubbing and friction that we're getting from the mask, even from wearing it short periods of time up to extended amounts of time, is causing that sensitivity and irritation. Sensitivity can even result in contact dermatitis, so dryness, tenderness, even peeling of the skin, and erythema, which is redness or dilated capillaries. The physical abrasiveness of wearing a mask is also impairing our skin's barrier function, and our barrier is responsible for preventing against transepidermal water loss. Our barrier is also responsible for protecting against anything from entering our skin, such as bacteria. So when we have an impaired barrier and bacteria enters from our face mask, then that's when we are seeing so many sensitivities, irritations, and breakouts. It can take weeks to repair a compromised barrier, and with the added use of masks, it can take even longer, but don't worry, I am here to give you pro tips and clinical medical grade products, because now more than ever, it is so important that we are using the appropriate products to care for our skin. Another issue that we are seeing is dryness, and that's because that impaired barrier function results in transepidermal water loss, and when we experience transepidermal water loss, we are experiencing dryness, flakiness, and peeling of the skin. So many people have been experiencing skin issues with wearing masks, all the ones that we just talked about, such as sensitivity and irritation, acne and breakouts, and even dryness. And since we are in the middle of the quarantine and so many places like professional salons and spas have been shut down, people have not been able to go see their estheticians and get the professional medical grade skincare products that they're looking for. So they've been turning to over-the-counter skincare products. And over-the-counter skincare products may not be formulated for your specific skin type or to treat the skin condition that you're looking to treat. And they may also be loaded with a ton of ingredients that are causing added sensitivity and irritation, such as dyes, fragrances, and even parabens. So I have some pro tips for you for wearing skincare masks, and this concludes the first video in our 3-part series of everything you need to know about skincare and wearing face masks. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video about skincare tips for wearing masks.